Yes lads, welcome back to another video. Machine Monday. We're back with the pit bike today. Just myself, Aaron's not feeling too well. So we'll go through what we're going to do in this video and I'll show you some of the stuff that I got done during last week. So starting off with the front plastics, obviously the one that goes over the front wheel and then the two side panels. I just cleaned them there. There was some sticker residue still kind of from the stickers that were on before kind of on there, so I got some WD-40 and a card and just scraped that off and cleaned them up a bit. But now I'm just going to kind of preparation wise, just getting ready. Going to get going with them now. Going to primer these. I have plastic primer up there, put on maybe 2 coats, and then I'll get the orange coat on first, then mask off the orange coat, and then get on the navy then. So we'll see how it goes. Right lads, so this is definitely not the right way to do it, but there's going to be a bit of orange on them like I said earlier on. So I just roughly sprayed it on here now, and what I'm going to do now is get the masking tip and I'm going to tape off exactly where the orange is going to be. So it's going to be this line here, as you can see it, faint line there. So I'm going to masking tape inside of that, so all the orange will be masked over, and then the excess stuff then that I sprayed over, that'll be sanded off again and fixed, and then the navy will be going on over that then, and I'll get on the coats of navy. I'll put on probably the plastic primer again, the 2 coats of navy, and then 2 coats of primer, and then I'll take off the masking tape that's where the orange is now. The masking tape will be on there. I'll take off the masking tape and then we'll see what the final product looks like. Right, so that's what I meant there now. I have the orange bit that's going to be orange and the final look masked off. These excess bits now, whenever I let that masking tape kind of settle on there and when it's good and secure, I'm going to scrape off or sand these bits again. All 3 of them done. So just have to, as I said, sand off the excess orange bits and get the navy on now.
I will run away, I don't have to plan it. I can go change my fate, you won't understand it. All alone, that's okay. People I can't stand them. They don't want me to change, keep me where I'm standing.
Right lads, so you've seen everything that's been done so far. Now we're on to one of the last pieces in the puzzle here, the plastics, right? So I don't know how this is going to turn out. As you can see now, I have the bits masked off that are going to be orange, and I've kind of filed in as close as I can to the line, and I've scraped off kind of, and then I've sanded as well. So, and they've been plastic primered again. So that blue's going on there. That blue's going on. I'm gonna put it on now. Set the tripod up. Right lads, I have the plastics done. The navy's on. It has 2 coats of primer on it, 3 coats of blue actually, or navy, and then I have 2 coats of lacquer over this as well. Now I am a wee bit annoyed. I kind of fucked it a bit. You can look here and you can see the scratches a bit. They're not as bad now because there's lots of coats over it, but I was kind of rushing trying to get a video done, and I should have sanded these out more with a lighter sandpaper. As you can see here, some of it's a bit rough, but it is what it is. I have other 2 bits up there that don't have any masking tape on it that I've done far better, but I was rushing these here, and it is what it is, as I say. Right, I'm going to peel this off, and this is going to be my first time obviously seeing it, so hopefully it's not a disaster. So, not too bad. It obviously has pulled the blue off right close to the line, but I don't know, from far away that will not be too bad. And I was expecting it to be possibly worse. But there you go, that one turned out a lot better, so we'll see what the other ones look like. I'm really happy with how that one turned out, just the line and all, for how rushed it was, so I know what way that goes. A bit of gut there. Right lads, these turned out a lot better than I was thinking they would. So, you know, the lines on these ones are pretty good here, for just both, you know, that spray, just with masking tape. Rushed as well. The lines in this one are pretty good as well. This one I'm really happy with. Put up the middle. This one was flaking a bit, like I said there when I was peeling it off, but we might be able to do something about that. But let us know what you think of that. I can't wait to see what it looks like on with all the rest of the parts now as well. Definitely gonna be cool. Right, so that's it for this week. Like and subscribe. Hopefully Monday you'll see her starting to get pieced back together. It's gonna look class. So I'm gonna get a cup of tea now. See you next week. Make sure you hit that like button and good luck.